Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible, students? All the students who are in the online. Now we'll start with further. So I hope in the previous session, we had a discussion related to which concept? STR. How many types of operations we can do on STR? Come on, two types. What are those? Indexing and slicing. Indexing and slicing. With indexing, how many values we can get at a time? Only one value. With the slicing, you can get range of values, we can get it. Indexing, when we pass wrong index, we'll get which error? Index error. Index error. You have already practiced, I think so. And the slicing related things will get what? Range of values. That is called substring of the main string. Substring of the main string. To perform, we have 5 syntaxes are available. And this syntax was completed in the last class. Begin colon end. This data, what it gives, I said already. This I said already. And some subrule I said, positive beginning, negative ending, or strobj, negative beginning, colon what? Positive ending, all those things I said, most special points I said, and with the positives I said, beginning, all of them are positives, these are negatives. And here these are what? Negatives, and these are positives. I said, and next I said some extra bouncing the values of the indexes. This is a very, very important concept. This was completed in the last class. Anybody was absent on Saturday here? Anybody absent on Saturday? Absent. Attended online? Attended online now? Okay. Online attended, no problem. Anybody was not there on Saturday, online and offline here? Anybody who is not there online, offline? Hmm. So why you came today? What you will understand today? Why you came today? Will you understand this entire thing? I don't think so. Better take rest. So sit down. So come in, ma. So students, those who are absent on Saturday, for offline as well as online, if you are not there in both the places, not in offline, not in online, you are in underline. When you are in underline, now you will be in underline only. Underline tells kada. When you wrote, and this is strike it off, disconnected. So that is a very important. Now I'm going to enter into the syntax number 2. Today I'm entering into the syntax number 2. Shall we start off? Okay. So previously what I explained it, I need not to repeat. Already repeated, and it was not a small concept to repeat again. And I'm entering into the syntax number 2. Very, very useful thing. If you look at students, all of you open the diagram first. Diagram is there today. Here two guys are there. Where are those two? Notes is there. Diagram. Diagram not there. Diagram unda. Another student. Oh, you are there. Okay. Another student who is sitting there. He is not there. So coming to the point of it, now I'll move to the further. strobj of what? Begin colon what? I did not mention. What I did not mention here? Ending. Before that, I would like to speak about one important subject. Look at students. All of you keep diagram open. S of S. This is the data This is the data. Diagram also I am writing. Diagram also I am writing. And here, and before that, one small concept I want to tell. To find the number of characters in str object, we use a function called len. Len is a function name. Len stands for what? Because already you are gold medalist. Full forms means you are gold medalist. Len of, I will write yes. It will give you what? Number of characters. But the answer is coming now? 6. Now I am writing what? Len of yes will give you what? 6. Len of yes minus 1. Len of s minus 1 will give you what? 5. Len of s minus 1 will give you 5. Len of s will give you 6. 6. Len of s minus 1 will give you what? 5. Able to follow? Nice, nice. Go to further. Take this example. S is equal to Python. Now this is my given data. Keep in mind, I'm writing here four important things you need to get it from my class today. I'm writing the diagram and you also verify your diagram. Py, th, py, th, py, th, and I'll write on. On. This is your diagram. And whose indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the indexes. And this is minus 6, minus 7, sorry, minus 5, minus 5. What is next? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. This is our data. Students, today I need to concentrate with an intelligent solution here. How do you locate first character? There are two approaches are there to locate the first characters. So 4 corner elements I want to locate. How do you locate the first character in positive index side? 0. S of 0, if you write it, it will give you what value? Huh? P. Okay. How do you locate the last character? I want to get it. How do you locate the last character also? I want to locate. How do you locate the last character in negative side? S of what? Minus 1. Will give you always what? Last character. This is negative side. This is positive side. Positive side, last character, I want to get it. What is the last character? I don't know. Suppose I have a big, I don't know the last character. How do you know the last character? Actually, last character is nothing but length. Len of S is called how much we got it earlier? 6. Len of 6 minus 1, how you got it? 5. That is called a last character index or not? How do you write it now? S of, come on. Len of S minus 1. Len of S minus 1. What is the value coming? N is coming. N is coming. Len of minus 1 also will give you what? N only. So how many ways are there to get this letter N? Positive side I can get it. Negative side also I can get it. How do you get this negative side beginning letter? S of minus Len of S. What is the Len of S actually? 6. Minus 6 will give you what? P. So 4 things. 0. Len of S minus 1. Minus 1. Minus of Len of S. These are the 4 things are very important for me today. I hope you will remember. Shall I move forward? Look at S of 0. What is the answer? P. What is this? 0 is called positive side. Positive side, the last character I want to get it. S of Len of S will give you 6 minus 1. Minus 1 will give you what here? Last. N is coming. If you write Len of S without minus 1, 6 you will get it. Do you have 6 in the index? What is an error? Index error. Index error. Index error. Why? Sixth index is not there. In your notes, sixth index is not there. Are you following me? Yes. Did you understand this side? S of -1. S of -1 will give you what? Last character. S of what? Minus ln of S will give you what? P. So here, any string data S is equal to Python is an OOP language and it is developed by Guido Van. What happens? So coming to the S is equal to, and it is developed by Guido Van Rossum. This is my data. All of a sudden they are asking what is the last letter. By taking pen and paper, it will become evening, right or not? It will become evening, morning to evening it will become, because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it will become evening. So how do you find the last letter? Two ways. Straightforward S of what? -1. M. Direct. How do you get the next another way? S of what? Ln of what? S -1. What is the answer? M. Simple. First letter S of 0, P. Another one minus of ln of S, P. These are the very important. How important these are, we cannot understand. Got it up? The 0, positive side beginning. Ln of S -1, positive side last. -1, negative side last. Negative side first, minus of ln of S. These are the four important points. Got it up? Confusion? Confusion? If you don't know that, better don't learn Python. Okay, these are the fundamentals. If you open your diagram, if you read daily, this is not a difficult. If you don't read, 1 month only will come to class. After 1 month, you will jump. Elections will come that time and you will jump. So, come to the point of it. Beginning, colon, now I am going to write it. Did you understand the 4 points? What are the 4 points? 0 represents positive beginning. Last, ln of S -1. That is called positive last. Negative ending, -1. Negative beginning, minus of ln of S. These are the 4 things you need to remember. If you don't remember, problem. Northeast, west, you will remember. Northeast, west, you will remember, no? You will remember. Yes. Like that, how you remember, here also you need to remember 4 points. Now, in this syntax, now I am going to move to further. In this syntax, we are specifying, slowly I will explain. If I explain fast, you will get confusion. In this syntax, we are specifying which index, begin index, and not specifying which index, end index. In this place, begin only I specified, end I did not write. Here in the beginning, I wrote begin and end, I wrote it here. But here I am writing only what? Begin and what? End. So in this place, if we don't specify which index, end index, do you know what is happening, students? If we don't specify end index, then PVM takes end index as ln of strobj. End index will be taken by the PVM as what? ln of strobj. In this place, whatever you did not mention, strobj of what? If you mention only what? Begin index, If you don't specify the end index, in this place, what will be taken? LEN of strobj. That means 6 it will take. What is the condition actually? 6 minus 1 it will be taken during execution time. What it will substitute here? 6 in our Python. During execution, what it will apply? 6 minus 1. This is one thing you need to remember. End index will be taken by the PVM as what? LEN of strobj or. If you don't have that much talent to remember, so this will take it as what? If we don't specify the end index, then PVM takes end index. PVM takes up to last character in the form of value I am giving. In the beginning, I spoken in the form of what? Index. Now I am talking in the form of what? Last character. Are you following? Then, because of this, what this syntax will give? This syntax gives range of values from hmm, begin index to what? LEN of what? strobj minus 1. Okay, now. Or I'll say another way. This syntax use the range of values from begin index to what? Last character. Begin index to where? Last character. Begin index character to. Begin index character to what? Last character. Begin index character to what? Last character. Let us start example. So I gave different type of meanings. Let us start examples. Go there and Python, you take it. Yes is equal to all of you open the notes. First, I will explain the subject. You watch it. Sorry, students. Go to the place. Here you take it. S is equal to Python. Print of S you say. Now observe all of you. S of, I am writing 0 colon I said. What I said? What is 0? Begin. What I did not specify? End. From 0th character to last character. What is the 0th character? P. P to last. If I don't specify last now, if I don't specify end, it will take up to end only. What is the answer now? Python. Are you following? S of 1 colon. What is the answer? Answer. Y T H. Beautiful. Next, S of what? 2 colon. Answer. Come on. Nice. I will write 3. HON. HON. If I write 5. Come on. Only N. Only N. If I specify 4 on ON. Are you following? This is about what I mentioned here. Positive. Which direction? Positive direction. Which direction? Clear? Good. Let me, online students, please respond once. Is it clear for everybody? Is it clear? Negative direction. See the diagram, all of you. S of minus 6 colon. Answer. Come on. Python. Minus 6 to what? Last. What is the last? Minus 1. It will take minus 6 to last. Good. S of minus 4 colon. Huh? Very good. I will write minus 5. YTHON. S of what I will write? Minus 2. Minus 2. Huh? ON. S of minus 3 colon. Huh? Good. I will write minus 1 colon. That's all. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Okay, good. Easy. Can I ask one complicated question? Ready to answer wrong? Yes, Sarah. Don't know English also. Ready to answer wrong? Huh? Correct or wrong? You will try to answer correct. Say, speak something. If you speak to me in the class, you will get subject. If you speak outside, you will tired. If you speak outside, you will tired. If you speak in the class, you will get subject. That's your career will build. If you speak unnecessarily to outside, it's waste of time. Okay, now. So coming to the point back, whenever I ask something, you try to answer. Online students, I hope you are understanding me. Bhumi, yes sir, correct answer. Okay, so you'll answer correct. So, online students, I hope you are ready to answer correct. Sophia. Now I'm going to Rajesh. Next, Swapna. Now answers are ready. Now I'm ready to ask some questions. Of course, you will answer it. You practiced yesterday. Practice yesterday. Everybody. Saturday. Practiced. Not practiced, na? Hmm? Practiced. Okay. So by looking at you, I can easily say whether you practiced or not. Because in my PhD, there is a subject called research methodology. Research methodology means what? By looking at your face, 99% I can say. And when you read and come to the class, how you will look like. When you just without reading, if you come to the class, how you look like. When you partially read and come, how you look like. When you practice reading and coming very recently before the class, how you look like. All things are there in the PhD. When you are in teaching, PhD is important. Doctorate is important in computer science. That is most eligible for the teaching. And some people will look at on the screen and they will think somewhere else. I will easily find out those guys. Hmm? And thinking in my home, which election is going on, which campaigning is going on, who is there on our city, like thinking like. That's why students. So try to practice. Now I'm asking the question. Ready to answer? Okay. See students, Python here. Come to the point. S of minus S of something like minus 1000 : S of minus 1000 : answer. Hmm? Nice students. Are you guessing and saying or applying subject? Applying subject. Started from where? Minus 1000. Top left corner. Minus 6 this side. Do you have minus 1000? Do you have minus 999? Do you have 10? Minus 10? No. Minus 9, minus 6, minus 6. Minus 6 only data is available. Minus 6 to last data will be coming. Correct or not? Very nice. Good students. Able to follow? Good. Now I'm writing S of S of I'm writing 0B. I'm writing 15. I'm writing answer 15 colon. First you need to have the projection. 15 means positive side. What is my diagram? Python. What is the last? 6. After 6, what is there? 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, no space, no data present. No data present means what actually? Space. So, first of all, you need to imagine the picture in your brain. Are you building the picture in your brain? So, with the picture, you answer it. I hope you are following me. Now, S of 0B, 0B, 1010, colon. What is the answer? Space only. So 0B1010 is called what? 10. 10 is lost, no data. I hope you are clear. Very nice. This is now you are understanding. Very complicated question I will ask you. Of course, I tested This is okay. Perfect. You are perfect. My intention is to make you to answer wrong. My intention is to make you answer wrong. Compulsory will answer wrong. Shall I? You should say so. No, sir. We will answer correct. You need to say. S is equal to what? Python. Python I am writing. S of minus of ln of HYD. ln of HYD colon. Come on. HYN. Sure. Very nice. HYN. How, sir? This is S of what? Minus of ln of HYD. How many? 3. 3 colon. What is the answer? Diagram. If you only look at that, nothing will come. Diagram is important. From minus 3 to last. Minus 3 to last is what? HYN. HYN. Need to listen. Started absent. అందుకనే when you are absent one day, mind tension. Adjacent student tension, this side student tension. When you are speaking, others are looking at you. That's why I will not sit with any student who is late or not coming. I will sit alone when I am a student. So if you come late now, if you are absent, other students tension, you are tension. Why that entire thing? That's why absent is wrong. Come to the point. Are you following me? Now I'll move to the further. Shall I move to the further? Yes. So coming to the point back. Srivastav. Sir, can you explain that 15? I confused on that. Srivastava, are you there in the Saturday class? Are you there in the Saturday class? Srivastava, are you there in the Saturday class? Did you practice Saturday, Sunday? No, you did not practice. Because this point I was explained already in where? In the most sub points I explained. In the most sub points. If you don't practice and come, very danger for you. So this you see, these points I already explained. These points, most special points I explained. So last and final for that student. 15. 15 is called what? Index. Which index? Positive index. What is our Python? 0 to 6. That is only the data. Do you have 15th index there? 7th is not there. 8th is not there. 9th is not there. 12, 13, 14 not there. 15th. 15th to what? Last. 15 is not there. Last is also not there. That is called space. That is called space. So I think Srivastava, you understood. That is my explanation for that. Right. Now I'll move to the further. That example I will carry on. So this also I will carry on. So I will post it here. This is about which kind of syntax? Which kind of syntax? Syntax number 2. Syntax number 3. Very easy. Once you know syntax number 2, syntax number 3 is dead easy. I'm going to syntax number 3. Students in the online, I hope you understood syntax number 2. Syntax number 3 I am taking. What I mentioned here, you only tell me which one I did not mention. Begin. Which one I mentioned? Right. When I did not mention the beginning, from where it will take? First letter onwards. When I did not specify the ending, it would took up to what? Last character. Here I am specifying what? End I am specifying. Which one I am not specifying? Begin I am not specifying means it will take from where? First letter onwards. Understood? So let me write it. In this syntax, we are specifying, which index? End index, but not specifying, come on, begin index, begin index. If we don't specify, If we don't specify which index, begin index, then if we don't specify begin index, then PVM takes mm, begin index as begin index as begin index as either zero, either zero, positive side, or what, or what, minus of ln of strobj. Which side? Negative side. That represents both the indices represent first character only. Right or not? So points to which character? First character. Right? In other way, I'll write it here. If we don't specify the begin begin index, if we don't specify the begin index, then PVM takes first character. PVM takes what? First character of which object? Of which object? strobj. So overall syntax is what? This is syntax gives range of values, from where? From where? First character to or I can write strobj of what? 0 to strobj. Here I will write it. So I will write it. strobj of what? 0 to 0 or what? strobj of what? Minus of ln of what? strobj. strobj. 1 minute. Close. And done. To where? End minus 1 index. Why we are mentioning index end or not? This will be given in other way. I will give you this syntax generates gives range of values from first character to what? End minus 1 index character. First character to end minus 1 index character. Now I will go to the examples. I hope students you will catch me because these are dead easy for you. Nothing is difficult. Go there. I say S is equal to Python. Open the diagram, all of you. Print off what here? Yes. Now S of colon 6. What is the answer? That's all. What I did not mention, begin. Begin. Begin not mentioning means what? First character. P. That is called 0 or minus of 6. To where? 6. 6 minus 1. First character to 5. What is that? Python. Python. Are you following? S of colon 4. Answer. Come on. Py. Pyth. I'll write 5. I will write 5. Huh? Pytho. I will write 2. Come on. I will write 3. Pyt. Good. I will write colon 1. Come on. Super. That's all. This is which side? Positive side. Let me go to. Be careful. Open the diagram. Colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. Py. Good. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2. What is the minus 2? 0 beginning to. Pytho. Pytho. Are you following? S of minus 3. Huh? Pyt. Good. Next I'll write minus 2. Py. Okay. Minus 4. Minus 3. Huh? Pyt. Good. Pyt. I'll write minus 5. Come on. Right. Minus 4. Huh? Super. Easy or difficult? Easy. This is easy. Now you got it. Saturday class, today class. Is your skills are improving? Improving or decreasing? Improving. If you don't practice and come now, you will you will go to negative stage. Here you need to ask your heart, how is your 22 years of academic experience and now your experience in subject, you only decide and feel where is a good, then you decide, then you move forward. If you don't practice and come, not attending classes, you will go out of order. Very soon, who did not attend the classes properly, definitely they will not come to the classes. Why? They won't understand. That's why, students, beginning only I wrote three things: punctuality in attending, practicing, and reading the notes. That is a mandatory to reach your goal. To reach your goal, students. This is about the data related to this one level of example. Go to the next. Go to the next. I am taking like this. Try to understand carefully, student. Now you can easily answer it. There is no doubt in that. No doubt about your things. Now I am writing 100. Come on. Answer is Python. Okay, good. Now I am writing something like, 365. Come on. That's nice. Now I am writing. That's all. Easy. Now that is only I want to ask you. Okay, last one more I will ask you. S of colon ln of S ln of S minus 2. Come on. Py. Pytho. Who is that? Correct. Who is that? Correct. Who is Pytho? Correct. You. Wrong answer. What is the ln of S? 6. 6 minus 2. So in this place, what is substituted? 4. Colon 4 means what? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is called what? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Pyth. So that is the subject. Pyth. Like that, you need to take care. Right? Students, be careful. Answering wrong is not the way. You have to come out of that wrong answering. So go to the place. Go to the place. Now see that. Coming to this place. Now here. Going to this place. See this. Who order? Ganush. Sir, admin is not responding to my messages. I need notes. See, my dear students, all of you remember one small thing. Of course, I don't want to say this, but I'll say one more small thing. When you say any message to admin, both offline and online students, both offline as well as online students, one small point, you put your request followed by hyphen student of KVR. Student of you write your faculty, my name you write it. They will respond immediately. If it just normally says, they will think that you are other student. They will not respond. Okay, you write your query, say hyphen, you say student of my name you write it. You will get the answer immediately. You check once. Okay now? Fine. Okay, Dhanush, this is my advice. Further, you see that. Today you just say once. Now, coming to the Srivastava, you need to practice, my dear student. So, without practicing, you see my example, check my doubt. I am not going to check your doubt because so many messages are coming. 241 students are there. Messages are going on coming. You are put your doubt now. Last and final, I will check your doubt. Put your doubt now once. I want to see. I don't have the time to scroll the entire chart box. Put your doubt. And don't feel that KVR sir is only for this part, only for you. Now, I will ask your question to all the students. They will just answer like anything. They will answer like anything. Yes of like that. Come on. Come on. Answer. Super. Everybody. Space. Srivastava is getting because he did not practice last Saturday. Because of not practicing one day, how many troubles? That's why 1 minute late, train will go. Ticket. Academics also same. That's why student. Everybody answered. See, are you following, my dear student? Space. Why space? Already explained. Already explained. This is called 0. This is called what? -6. What is this now? Where is the beginning? You are standing here. Where are you moving? Actually forward. But you are saying move to which side? You are moving forward. You are asking go backward. I'm not moving anywhere. What is an answer? Space. I'm ready to go forward and you are asking to look at -100. Do you have -100? No. Answer is what? Space. Easy. Okay, Srivastava. So, got it. Okay. My dear student, let me move to the further. Got it up? Nice. Go to the further. Now I'm going to the syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. And I don't explain anything. You only tell me. Which one I did not mention there? Neither I mentioned beginning, nor I mentioned ending. What will come? First character to last character. Complete data will come. Okay now? So I'm writing in this syntax, we are not specifying, what begin and what end index. Begin and what end index. End index. Now I'm writing if we don't specify, if we don't specify, if we don't specify begin, begin and end, begin and end, begin and end indices, indices, then PVM takes from first letter to last letter, last letter. In the bracket, complete str data. Complete str data it will take. Correct or not? Complete str data. Example. Nothing is difficult. Easiest string. Easiest part. They'll ask you in the interview point of view. Let us take out Python. Now I'm take Python. Print of what? Print of yes. What is an answer? Yes of what? Colon. Yes of colon answer. What is not there? Beginning. Beginning not there means first character. Ending is not there means last character. Beginning to last. Python. Are you following me? Yes of -100 colon answer. Come on. Python. Yes of what? Colon 1000. Come on. Yes of what? Colon 0 colon. Come on. Python. Yes. Yes of. Yes of 0 colon answer. Python. Yes of what I am writing? -6 colon. Answer is what? Python. Yes of what? -1000 to 1000. Python. See how many ways are there to display Python? So take one thing. See these many ways are there to display Python. Are you following me? Last and final. S is equal to HYD is the capital of TS. HYD is the capital of TS. Print of what? Yes of. Answer is coming. Yes of colon I said. What is an answer? Total. Same answer. Same answer. Yes of what? -1000 colon 1000. Same answer. Same answer or not? S of what I am writing? S of what I am writing? Minus ln of S. Yes. What is an answer? Same answer. Minus ln of S means this entire thing. Minus like. Minus to last. You will get the same thing. You will get the same thing. S of what? S of what? Colon. Ln of S. Minus 1. What is an answer? Same answer. Minus 1 I should not write. Ln of S I need to write. So this will give you complete answer. Minus S I mean again minus 1 will be applied. This if I write it will be given as what? TS also. Here S was cut. When I wrote S of colon of ln of S minus 1 I wrote it. Suppose if it is a 20, again it will be applied what? 20 will not come. 0 to what? 20, 19 will come. 19 means only T is coming, S is missing. I hope you are following. These are all called what? Example of what? Colon concept. So I hope this is clear. Go to that. Now I am entering into the toughest syntax. Toughest syntax in the entire Python programming. 90%, 80% only will follow. Rest of the 80 will get lot of doubts. And I will not clarify those doubts. Beginning only, try to listen. Online students, beginning only, try to listen. Keep our total body under our control. Mind and body must be in your control. Listen carefully. So I may not explain the everything again. Carefully try to follow. Because that is the easiest part. Now, tell me, in all the syntaxes, we are moving in which direction? Good. What is the stepping in forward? +1. Beautiful. Which direction? Forward direction. What is the stepping? +1. Girls, you are not speaking. Problem? Huh? Getting? Understanding everybody? Then speak out. Outside you will speak more and more or not? Huh? Which direction? Forward direction. Note I am writing. All the above syntaxes, all the above 4 syntaxes, I am writing one note. In all the above 4 syntaxes, in all the above 4 syntaxes, we are obtaining, range of values. We are obtaining a range of values, in which direction? In which direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. By maintaining default step as +1. +1 indicates which direction? Yes. Now, my requirement I am going to putting in front of you. To get those requirements, I am going to tell you this ultimate syntax. We see how many rules are there? 5 rules. While I am explaining, there is a chance of getting confused. 80% will follow, 20% no guarantee. No guarantee. They may follow, they may not follow. So, what is my requirement? I'll open my diagram once. Let me open my diagram. I'm going to show you this. Carefully follow. So far, students, we got it. The data in all of them in which direction? Forward only. Either by using positives or by using negatives or by using this side or by using what? This side. Either by using up direction or by using this direction or by using this direction or by using this direction. Correct or not? Hey, my requirement is what? In positive direction only. What is the values I want? See, T I want, O I want. Positive direction only. How many letters? 2 letters. Class is late. 2 steps I am entering. Alternative letters. 2 letters I want. What is the step? +2. Which direction? plus step means forward direction. Negative step means backward direction. I'll tell you the rules. You don't prepare anything. I want to get y, h, n. Step, plus 2. Which direction? Okay. Next, I want p, h, like that. Which direction? Step, plus 3. Which direction? Very nice. Next, last, PO, PO. Which direction? Step, plus 4. Good. Next, PN, PN. Forward direction. Step, plus. Very nice. This is by using what? Positive values. Next, be careful. -6, -4, -2, like that. Come on. Huh? -2. +2. -6 plus 2. -4. -4 plus 2. -2. -2 plus 2. 0. Don't think that 0 it will come. Are you following? Which direction? What is the step? Plus 2. With which indices? Negative indices. Step is positive. Negative indices. Forward direction. Okay? Well, next. Next. -6, -3, like that. Plus 3. Which direction? -6 plus 3. -3. -3 plus 3. 0. Which direction? Good. This is about forward direction with alternative letters. My next requirement is NOHTYP. It is called reversing the string. Reversing the string. Reversing the string. Python is which direction? Forward. Opposite of Python means which direction? Backward direction. In a car, first gear, forward. Reverse gear, sixth gear is there. Reverse, completely reverse. It will go back or not? Gear is same. So we are going to change the gear. So it will go automatically to that way or not? Like that. And don't tell that example in interview. I want to get the reverse of the string. Reverse of the string means what? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. What is this step? -1. -1. Which direction? Backward direction. Backward direction. Be careful. Be careful. 5, 3, y. Which direction? Backward direction. What is the step? Good. 5 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. What is the data coming? NHY. Are you following? I want to get it. I want to get it. OTP. Which direction? Starting from where? 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2. Answer. OTP. This also my requirement. Any question comes in any bigger company, you will answer like anything, provided if you remember. Next, positive with a negative step over. Next, see, negative indices. I want to get it what? -1, -3, -5. Which direction? What is the step? -1, -2, -3, -3, -2, -5, -5, -2, -7. -7 is not there. It stops. Easy. Simple. I want what? -2, -4, -6. Which step? -2, -2, -2, -4, -2, -6, -2, -8 is not there. It will print OTP. To get all these things, I'll go for this syntax. Online students, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? This is the concept. Now I'm entering into this direction. Be careful. I made it to understand very clearly. I explained. Now I'm entering into the further with a more easiest task. Now students, now coming to the programmatic. Here, slowly I am writing begin here, begin here the values of, here the values of begin, comma, what is the next? End, and step can be either positive or what? Negative. So many questions will come. Be ready. And if you ask the doubt, na, again I have to explain everything. Again, explaining everything is impossible. That's why let me explain slowly so that you will understand. First one is simple. You have seen positive beginning, positive ending, positive step, negative beginning, negative ending, negative step, negative ending, negative beginning, positive step. Again, positive beginning, positive ending, positive step. Positive beginning, positive ending, negative step. Negative beginning, negative ending, negative step. Negative beginning, negative ending, positive step. Positive beginning, negative ending, positive step. Negative beginning, positive ending, negative step. Of course, you are not remembering, correct? You are just listening sound. I know that. I am very much here in this chair almost 26 years over in sitting. It is a second chair only. Even the chair is going, they are keeping something like this. So you can understand at your age onwards, I am sitting here. So you are listening only sound, correct? I know. You are waiting. Sir will give example. Na, that time I can understand. I know students, you are lazy guys. Anyhow, come. Now I am going to enter into begin value, end value step. Step rule 2, rule 3, which makes you very perfect. So, Jitu, sir, can you write and say it's confusing? Confusing is only a psychological problem. Really. Now I am writing. Now I am writing. Jitu, I am writing the concept. If the value of, if the value of step, if the value of step, if the value of step is positive, if the value of step is positive, if the value of step is positive, what happens? If the value of step is positive, then PVM takes the range of characters, takes the range of, PVM takes the, gives the range of characters. PVM gives the range of characters, range of what? Chars from, range of chars from where? Begin index to end minus 1 index. End minus 1 index provided big range of characters in forward direction. Let me add that word, forward direction. Forward direction from begin index to where end minus 1 index provided begin less than what? End. Otherwise, we get space or as result. That is already we discussed in the syntax number 1 only. Did you remember that? Same thing I am using today also. Very, very important. Shall I show you the example now? Come to rule 2 related examples. There is no tension, students. I'll give you clarity for you. Will give you clarity for you. Until you understand, I'll go on explaining. You don't have any tension. Let us go for rule number 2. I'll take S is equal to Python. Open the diagram, all of you. Print of what? Yeah. Yes. All students in online. I am saying that yes of begin kada, end na, step correct. Like this na. Now today I'll write the beginning as what? 0. Okay. Ending as what? 6. When I write like this, what is happening? Generally 0 to 6 minus 1. That is a 0 to 5. What is an answer? Python. What is the step there? Step plus 1. Today I am writing extra what here? 1 now. Whether I am writing 1 or not writing 1, by default take it as what? 1 only. What is an answer now? Python. What is 0? What is 6? What is 1? When this type of syntax is given, first careful point, first note point you need to remember. You need to see the step value. Step is positive na, negative na, you need to see. Step is positive or negative? Positive. Positive means you confirm what? Forward direction. Condition you verify. Note 2. Condition you verify. 0 less than what? True. Then answer. What is an answer? 0 to 6 minus 1. 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an answer. You will get it. What is an answer now? Python is an answer. Are you able to get it? Python is an answer. Able to get it down? Okay. S of 0 to 6 also I am writing. Python here also. What is the default step? Plus 1 only. Okay now. Online students, please respond. Every step to step I will contact you. Because you should not get the doubt on this area. That is my intention. If you wait until the end of the class, you will get problem. Now, slowly I will come to the negative step also. Be careful. S of, I am going to S of 0 to 6 only, colon 2 I am writing. Colon 2. I will explain just to, you don't answer my question. You don't answer. Look at Python. What is my data? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is my step? Plus 2. Plus 2 means which direction? Check the condition. 0 less than 6. True. What is the answer? Actually 0 to 6 minus 1. What is the answer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is my step actually? 0 plus 2. 2. 2 plus 2. What is the data will come? 0 to 4 letters only will come. What is the 0 to 4 letters? Huh? PT. Good. You got it up? Is it difficult? Okay. Come on. 0 colon 6 colon 2. 3. 3. Answer. 0 colon 6 colon 3. Quickly. PH. Super. Nice. Okay now? Now, I will go to S of 1 colon 5 colon 2. 1 colon 5 colon 2. Come on. Huh? YH or YHN? YH. Super. Okay now? S of 4 colon 2 colon 2. Come on. Space. Because plus 2 is called what? Positive. Forward direction. But condition is false. That is going to be space. Are you following? S of 5 colon 3 colon 2. Come on. Space. Nice. Now you understood. Let me go to very easy. I will go to, this is one example. Hold on. Be careful. Here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up like this. This is my data. Carefully try to watch it. Default step is that. And if you observe it, begin index, end index, step is called what here? Positive. Positive. So student who said, sir, right, sir, I'm getting confused, you said one student. So try to understand students. What is this now? What is this indicates? Positive beginning, positive beginning, positive ending, positive step. Understood this result down? Yes. Next, Jitu is the student. Okay, Jitu, next case. The next case. S is equal to what? Python. Print of negative. I'm coming. Negative beginning, negative ending with positive step. but I'm looking for forward direction basically. S of minus 6 colon minus 6 colon minus 1 colon 1 minus 6 colon minus 1 colon 1. Huh? What is that? PY THO. Are you sure? Yes. So who said Python? Go to home now. So Ganesh. So whoever says Python, you please take the bag and go to home. Answer is what? Minus 6 to minus 1 minus 1. That is called minus 2. Minus 2, what is there? N is there. Plus 1 direction only, na? Condition satisfied. Answer is what? PYTHO. Is it easy to understand? S of minus 2 colon minus 6 colon 2. Answer. Space. Beautiful. Space. Understood? S of minus 6 colon minus 2 colon 2. Quickly. Answer is super. S of minus 5 colon minus 1 colon 3. 3. Come on. YO. YO. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy. S of minus 4 colon minus 1 colon 3 and 4. I will write 4. Come on. Answer. Only T. Good. T. Are you following? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. Srivastav is saying difficult. Difficult. Difficult is difficult. I am also saying difficult. But I am reading every day. It is easy for me. So, coming to the point. Online students, answer it. Difficult or easy? Everybody should answer it. So that I will move forward based on your things. Now, this is comes under what? What is this is called? Did you understand this? Good. Now, same example only. Who is that? Sophia. Last example did not understand, sir. What is there, ma? Last example, Python, Python. This is the diagram. Minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. What this 4 indicates? Forward direction. Condition minus 4 less than minus 1. True. Minus 4 is a starting point. Set that word jump how many steps forward? 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4, one thing you are taking. Minus 4 plus 4. 0 is not there now. 0 is not there. What is an answer now only? Answer is T only. Got it or not? And you don't say, 0 is here now, sir. You don't. You did not design the Python. Python is designed systematically. Okay, Sophia? So I hope got it. So now you understood. Now let us more interesting. Now see, S is equal to Python. Very powerful. Print of S. S of colon answer. Colon left side. Begin. Do you have begin? No means what? First character. Colon after end. Do you have end? What it will take? So it will give you what? First to last. First to which direction? Step. Okay. Look at, I am writing colon. They will tell. They will ask you what is the meaning of colon. Colon left side. Beginning. No beginning. No beginning means which one? First character. 2 colons middle. End. End is not there. End is not there means what? Last character. Colon last step. No step. What is the step? +1. What is the answer? Python. No beginning, no ending, no step. No beginning first character, no ending last character, no step, +1. It is also called Python. Okay now. So this is the subject. Now I am asking the question. S of colon colon 2. Answer. S of colon colon 2. Come on. Super. PTO. What is the colon colon complete string? What is the step? +2. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is not there. Following? Comfortable? Okay. Now, colon colon 4. PO na. Answer. PO. Okay. PO. Are you getting? Next, +3. Huh? Right. Super. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Okay. Easy. See. Will you remember these many models? To remember these many models, what do you need? Practice. Without practicing, you will not become perfect. Even I don't become perfect. Practicing makes you perfect. When you buy a new mobile, when you buy a new mobile afternoon, for example, today will you sleep? Will you sleep today night? No. You will completely go through everything. Even parents is lights off, bed sheet on, and they're doing everything. Next day morning will perfect or not? Notes you will perfect like that? No. Why? That's all. Student is student only. So that's why students. So who is this? Srivastava, follow me. You follow me. Okay now? I understand your requirement. You did not understand this. You are expecting negative things. That is the rule number 3. I am in rule number 1 only. See my heading. Okay. I already said I am in rule number 2. I'll come to rule number 3. Follow me carefully. If you are too much excited, go to other batch. Now come to the point. Come to the point. Understood this? Now go to the next. Go to the next. S is equal to Python. S of 2 colon 2 colon colon 2, just like this. What is the 2 colon THON? Which direction? Left side of colon is what? Begin. Right side of colon, that means it will take last character. Which direction? Which step? +1. That's why answer is what? THON. Understood? Very good. S of 2 colon colon 1 THON. What is the beginning? Ending? Last. What is 1 step? What is the step? Which direction? What is an output? THON. Getting or not? So easy. Now I'm writing. S of I'm going to take up. Be careful. Now I'm taking 3 colon colon 2. Come on. H. Super. Simply super. S of 1 colon colon 3. S colon colon 3. Come on. Huh? Why? Right. YO. YO. Easy. Difficult. Easy. Okay. S of. S of. Okay. Positives over. Correct? Positives over. Now be careful. Be careful. -6 colon colon 2. -6 colon colon 2. -6 to last first of all. -6 plus 2 -4. -4 plus 2 minus 2. What is the answer? Excellent. Excellent. S of minus 5 colon 3. Come on. Good. Super. S of minus 4 colon minus 1 colon 2. Come on. Good. 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 Okay. These are all called what? These are all called a positive beginning. And these are called what? Negative beginning. Negative beginning. See how much models I am telling you. How many models? Here completely not there with the stepping. Here what is there? Negative stepping. Here what is there? Positive stepping. See students, you see any internet websites, nothing you will find. See any other batches, nothing you will find. And all the things, once one class is over, you try to ask any student this type of questions. Whoever is learning Python outside, you just put this question. Let them put the questions to you also. Try to evaluate by yourself how you are learning the subject. And this is called one thing here. Are you following me? Now, I will move to the further. Very danger question I am asking. Ready to answer? Okay. See students. S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Python. S is equal to Python. 2 colon of. No. S is equal to Python. Print of S of. S of. Be careful. Minus 6 colon 6. Minus 6 colon 6. That is nothing but this type of models I am explaining. This type of models I am explaining. With plus 1 step, with plus 2 step, with plus 3 steps. Okay now. What is the answer now? Excellent. What is the step? See the answer now. Colon 1 I am writing. What is the answer? Python only. Easier? S of minus 6 colon minus S of minus 6 colon 6 colon 2. Come on. Super. S of 2 colon minus 1 colon 2. Come on, come on. Huh? Excellent. Got confidence. Saturday confidence or today confident? Today. Beginning what I said, day by day you take your selfie and watch it, I said. Are you doing that? Not doing. Why? You are getting to know. Okay, look at. Now I am taking 1 colon minus 1 colon 3. Come on. Okay, super. S of 6 colon minus 2 colon 2. No? Where are you standing? 6. Where is another person standing? Minus 2. Back of me. Moving forward. 2, 2. No data space. Now you are good students. Now I got a confidence on you. Let me ask one question. S of 0 colon 0 colon minus 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 6 colon 2. Huh? Here. 0 to minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. Minus 7 is crossing out and 0. And when I am going 0 side, 7 is not there now. So what is the answer? Space. When you say the answer, if I look at means no space, something you will say. And you have to, I'm checking your stability of the answer. Are you stable or just guessing? I'll check your stability first. Are you following? Right. So are you confident now? Okay. Students in online, see students, how many models I'm saying. Now you can imagine any bigger companies if we go, any question is coming, is it not from our notes? 100% it is our notes when you practice it. If you don't practice, we go to an interview. If an interview is asking these questions, do one favor to me. Carry these notebooks, keep it in the bag. When they ask any question, if you did not remember, you tell them, sir, see your answer in these books. Then the interviewer will get immediately, oh, he know that answer is there in the book, but he did not prepare well. That's why he did not answer. If I give to this candidate 10 days time, he will prepare and answer it. So there is a possibility of giving the job. Correct? Correct or not? And don't do like that. Don't do like that. So, because nowadays, all such type of things, such type of guidance should not be given. Just I'm joking with you. So you have to answer it. So coming to the point of it. Now, who are the Dhanush is asking this question? Who are the Dhanush is asking this question? Answer everybody. Who are the Dhanush is asking? -4 colon -2 colon 2. Come on, right? First of all, capital S he said. Okay, of course. That capital S, I am not worrying about it. Small s. Answer is what? T. Who are the Dhanush? Everybody answered your question. Everybody. Simple also this is. Simple also. Start. Go to this is called what? Rule number 2. Rule number 2. So coming to the rule number 3. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. My dear student, Divyans Kumar, please explain one more time with a diagram. Any one of the example. I already explained so many times. With the diagram only I am explaining. So I said now, come to the example number 3. Is it clear? Yes. So this is the one. This is the one. So I'm going to rule number 3. Ready to understand rule number 3? Danger example. What is my diagram? So far I got what? Positive direction. +1, no, +2, +3 with the positive indices, negative indices. What step I took? Positive step only I took. Now I am looking for which direction? Backward direction with -1, -2, -3. So let us look at the rule. Let us look at the rule. If the value of step, if the value of step is, if the value of step is what? Negative. If the value of step is negative, then if the value of step is negative, then PVM, listen, you don't answer anything. Okay, now you're danger. First, you look at my sentence. PVM gives the range of characters in backward direction. PVM gives the range of characters in backward direction. I'll explain until I say you speak, then you speak. Otherwise, you don't open your mouth. Direction. So DIRE, direction. Why this is coming like that? Direction. So here I will write it. Direction. Direction. Forward direction, backward direction. From where? Begin to where? Begin to where? End, end index +1. Begin to end index +1. Provided, provided, provided. Begin greater than end. Begin greater than end. Very danger. I will explain. You don't open your mouth. So, coming to the point of it, what happens? 1 minute more. So, here I will write. Okay. If the value of step is negative, then PVM gives the range of characters in backward direction from begin to end +1, provided begin greater than end. Otherwise, we get space or As what? Result. As a result. This is the answer. Let me go to the explanation for it. You don't try to think about anything. I will explain to you. Go to the place. Now I am taking S is equal to what? Python. Print of what? Yes. Print of what? Yes. Just carefully follow. S of 0:6. 0:6. Colon 1 will give you what direction? Come on. What is an answer? Python. Correct? What is the step? First, you need to look into what step. What is the step? +1. Careful students. Again, I will not explain. Positive. Positive means which direction? What is the condition my sir said? 0 less than what? 6. So I will get the data. Okay now? See. Got the data. Python. Now I am writing 0:6:-1. Today very danger. What the -1? Backward direction. Okay. -1 means backward direction. Okay. But what is the condition? 0 and colon is there. What is my condition? Begin greater than what? End. What is the begin value? 0 greater than what? 6. What is that now? False. What is the answer? Understood? Understood or not? Very good. Now, careful. S is equal to, again I am starting, Python. Print of what? Yes. Now I am telling, S of colon. What is the answer? What is the beginning? First letter. What is the last letter? Ending. Last letter. What is the step? +1. Which direction? Okay. Now, S of what is this represents? Complete string data. Which direction? But I am writing what now? -1. -1, which direction? What is an answer? NOHTYP. See the answer. NOHTYP. Did you answer? Compulsory question this is. What is this? Colon. First of all, what is the colon? Python. First letter to last letter in forward direction. S of what? Colon what? -1. What is this -1? Step. Which step? Minus. Minus means what? Back direction. From which character? Last character to first character. Last character to? This is the concept of reversing the string. This is the concept of reversing the string. So what is the question is coming regularly in entry? How do you reverse the string? They will ask. How do you reverse the string? Modubavulu, str obj of colon -1. Str obj of colon -1. What is the first colon left side? First character. Second colon, first colon, middle, last character. What is the step? -1. -1 says back to from where? Last character to first character. Simple. Are you following me? Online students, did you understand this concept here? Quickly. Nice. Now, be careful. Now I am asking a question. 5:1:-1. Watch it once. Don't answer me. First you see PYTHON. PYTHON. Almost time is over. 7:39. I'm feeling that I just came 5 minutes back to the class. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this now? 5:1. What is the step first of all? Okay, -1 means which direction? What is my begin? 5 greater than 1. True. What is the condition? 5 to end +1. What is the 5 to end +1? 1 + 1. 1 + 1. 5 to where? 5 to 2. What is the answer? Come on. NOHT. NOHT. Got it up? Got it. Next. 4 colon 0 colon minus 2. First minus 2, which direction? Backward direction. 4 to where? 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. What is an answer? 0 plus 1. Answer, OT. Next, I am going to write it. Something like, 5 colon 1 colon minus 3. Come on. Huh? Okay. Now let me look at once and I'll prepare my diagram. One small answer I want. Okay. Now I'm preparing one answer. S of 4 colon 4 colon 4 colon minus 2. 4 colon. 4 means starting from where? 4. What is the step first of all? Minus 2. Minus 2, which direction? 4. Ending, beginning is what? 4. So what ending? Ending is not there means what? But last, no. It is minus 2. Minus 2 means that last will become first. Moddubavulo. Minus 2 means what? Back direction. 4 will become what? Begin. That means 4 onwards you are beginning. Which direction? What is the last year? No data. Last character is another first character. What is the data now? Come on. That's all. OTP. I want to prepare OTP. Got it up? Understood? Doubt. I am having doubt. Now, look at colon. Very danger. Colon 5 colon minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 means which direction? Which direction? Backward direction. Where are you starting from? Answer, answer. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Where are you starting? Backward direction. 5. 5 means what? 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 is not there. Not there. Right. Simple. Space. Next. S of 5 colon minus 1. Come on. Answer. NO. H. TYP. Are you sure? Good. Beautiful. What is the beginning? 5. Which direction? 5 to back means what? 5 to back means what? Back is ending is not specified. Ending is not specified means first character. How it is first character? Minus 1. Minus means back direction from fifth to last. Last means P. Simple. 80% only will understand. 20% the garbage collector will collect away. When I am taking an interview, I will ask these questions. I will ask these questions. And I'll ask very complicated questions. That too, I'm asking this later I will go for it. Yes of what? Next. Negative side I am coming. Negative side. These are all called what I mentioned it. Positives. Are you getting how to get the reverse of the string first of all? So now I will take up this part. Here I am writing rule 3 related examples. Rule 3 related examples. Rule 3 related examples. So 7:45 now. Print of this, yes. Girls also did not understand, but they are not coming out. Correct, girls? Understood, huh? What girls understood? Boys understood, huh? Okay. Online guys, rule 3 clear, huh? Rule 3 clear. Do you feel difficulty? Do you feel difficulty? Pawan Kumar is asking, he is totally out of order. This is called what? String data. If I want to get any letters or anything, reverse of the string is totally out of order. Real time means this is expecting in real public where to use it. In real public we don't use. In project level, we use like this. If I want to get the data of certain range of values I want, I'll be using that. Go out of that. Now I'm going to use it. Negative part. Coming to this, I'll go to this place. Come to the point back. S is equal to Python now. Python now. I'm going to say yes of students. Those who did not understand, please read my notes. Please see the notes. Hemanath Sai, very good. Difficult by seeing the diagram. I found it easy. Good. I'm saying now, by seeing the diagram and if you listen me carefully, it is a dead easy. If you don't see the diagram, don't practice. If you come, you will not understand. Because this is a class of practical class. This is. Now I'm going to say minus 1 colon -5 -5 colon -1. Answer. Answer. -1 colon -5 colon -1. First of all, which direction? Condition true or false? True. -1 greater than -5 true. -1 to where it is going to take? -5 -1. That is called what? -6. +1 or -1? +1. Yeah, correct. +1. -5 +1. That is called what? -4. What is the data? N. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. All the students in online. Very good. Everybody is saying except 4-5 members. Except 4-5 members. Now next, S of -1 colon -2. Answer. -1 colon -2. Answer. Huh? Then super. Very nice. S of -2 colon -2. Come on. Super. Everybody. Good. Chart window running like an express. S of -2 colon 3 -3. Come on. Okay. Super. Nice. S of minus 1 colon -100 colon -1. Reverse of Python only. Reverse of Python. That's all. It will go to -100 +1 -99, -1 -2 -3 -4 -6. After that, no data present. It will be gone. Are you following me? Right. Last and final. 100 colon -1. Huh? 100 colon -1. Modubabulu space at loss and Modubabulu. -1 means which direction? From where? -100. -100 -99 -98 -7 100 -1. 100 -1 -99. 99 -1 98. 97. 96. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 5 onwards takes the data. To where? Last. Last character not there. That is called what? P. Which direction? Backward direction. What is an answer? Understood? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. In intelligent class, this is. No student knows in Amirpet. Not only in Amirpet, you ask any person, they are out of order. You are already 6 o'clock, 10 minutes, you don't know this. Now you are knowing. After 10 days, anyhow, you will forget. That is a different story. But today I am success. If you don't remember, you are going to be out of order. This is comes under what? The rule of what? Reverse order. Are you following me? Yes. This is the one we are getting out. So here I'll keep this one and I'll be going for this. And this is related to what? Rule number 3. Rule number 4, rule number 5. If I cover it, it will be too much hurry. Tomorrow I will cover. Tomorrow I will cover. See students. By saying only 1 and 2 syntaxes, if I skip the last syntax, how much you will lose the subject, correct or not? That's why you should not miss the class. Rule 4 and rule 5 tomorrow class. I'll say tomorrow. It is easy, not a difficult. Tomorrow at a sharp 6:10 p.m. So tomorrow class, I'll go for this explanation. Thank you, students. All the best. Hold on, students. If anybody is having the doubt, I'll take care of that. Students who are in the online, am I audible first of all? Am I audible to you? Pawan Kumar, I already said to you, I want to get a reverse of a string. I want to get a reverse. Already I answered your question, whether you listened or not. These are all called very, very important. How I want to get a reverse. One of the example I will tell you. I want to get a reverse of the string. How do you get a reverse of the string? Pawan Kumar, whatever examples I am telling in the class, that are all called real-time standards. You have to listen the class properly. So, how do you get the reverse of the string? By colon -1. That is called string slicing related concept only. Okay, now? Fine. Now go to Sharat Kumar.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Mark. Tell me, Sharat Kumar.
Sir, actually, I want to know about that. I have 5 year gap. So, will I able to pledge or not?
What is that? 5 years gap?
I have 5 year gap in academics.
Uh,
So, will I able to placement or not?
Placement or not depends on how you are working hard on the coding. If you do practicing very well, if you improve the coding, you will get the job. If no
Okay.
coding is coming, we will not get the job.
Actually,
You have to
many
improve
people
the
are
coding.
saying that there is time of recession. So, no jobs are coming for freshers.
They are not, they are already out of order. That's why they are speaking like that. You command
Okay, okay,
you come and meet our students. They will many people are getting. Speak to successful people. If you speak to wrong people, wrong guidance they will give.
okay,
Okay, now?
okay, sir. Thank you.
No, not the people who are speaking. They are already blunt students. They don't know anything. If you speak such candidates, they will create negative thoughts in your mind.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
you speak to the professionals. They will tell you
So, sir,
all.
one more question. Can I ask one more question?
Uh,
Sir, I want to become a data analyst. So this Python is required or whole package is requirement?
After learning Python, you have to learn data science also.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Srikanth.
Sir, the notes which you are giving in the class, we download that one.
Tell me.
Uh, uh, like అంటే మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసే క్లాస్ నోట్స్ అది డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడానికి లేదు సార్.
ఎందుకు ఉండదమ్మా? ఉంటది కదా, డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ అదా. యూ విల్ గెట్ మై ఫైల్ నేమ్ నా.
అవును సార్.
దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని రైట్ క్లిక్ చేయాలి. ఓపెన్
ఓకే.
ఇన్ న్యూ విండో అని చేయి. ఓపెన్ ఇన్ న్యూ విండో.
ఓపెన్ న్యూ విండో. ఓకే సార్.
In the new window, there is a download option will come. Download button.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. గాట్ ఇట్ సార్.
Then you can download. Okay, now?
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Right. Next, Sunny Swami. Sunny Swami.
Hi sir, can you please explain the last example once again, that 101?
This one.
Yes.
Simple. Simple. This is the one having the data. Python. N is here. This is called a 5. Correct? This is a 5. And what I mentioned it 100. 100 is a beginning. Which direction? Minus. Minus means it will start from here. 100 minus 1, 99, 99, 98, 97, going on 6, 6 no data, 5 onwards, giving the data in backward direction. Okay now? Sunny Swami.
Yeah, yes, sir, clear. Thanks.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Hemanath Sai. Hemanath Sai.
హలో సార్.
Yeah, tell me, Hemanath.
సార్ అది స్ట్రింగ్ రివర్సల్ అది 2 అయిపోయింది కదా, లైక్ 2 లైన్స్ లో. 2 లైన్ 1 లైన్ అంటే జనరల్ గా మనం ఫర్ లూప్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇటరేట్ చేస్తాం కదా లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ ని.
చూడమ్మా, మనము మీరు తెలిసిన లాంగ్వేజ్ లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు. అక్కడ ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వేరు, నేను చెప్పే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వేరు.
అలా కదా. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంటర్వ్యూలో లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకున్నాం, మనం ఇట్లాగా చేస్తే మనం ఇన్ అవ్వగలుగుతాం అని.
మీ వాయిస్ అంతా బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
హలో,
యువర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ బ్రేకింగ్. టెల్ మీ నౌ.
అదే సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఒక 1 year 2 years అట్లా ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టి ఇండస్ట్రీ లెవెల్లో ఇట్లా చేసామని చెప్తే వాళ్ళు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారా సార్?
నువ్వు చేయరమ్మా.
హలో,
ఎందుకు చేయరు? చేస్తారు అని చెప్తున్నా.
యా yes sir.
They will do it. Okay.
Yeah, okay sir. Generally,
Next, Koteshwar Rao.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్
Good evening.
సార్. మనం ఫార్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే -1, బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే +1 పెడతాం కదా సార్.
Wrong. -1 is backward direction. Plus is called forward direction. You are saying reverse.
బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇస్ +1 కదా సార్.
Babu, -1 Babu. You see, if the step value is negative, it will give in backward direction. If step value is positive, forward direction. Are you seeing this?
Yes, sir. సార్ ఇది వాట్ ఈస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ అప్లికేషన్, వీటి రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుందా సార్? అప్లికేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కను అప్లికేషన్ కి
ఒక ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసేది టు డెవలప్ ద అప్లికేషన్. ఇప్పుడు జొమాటో అనేది ఒక అప్లికేషన్. టు డెవలప్ దట్ జొమాటో అప్లికేషన్ వి రైట్ ద కోడింగ్. ప్రోగ్రామ్ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ సార్?
ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇస్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ విను. నేను చెప్పేది విను. ఊరికే నువ్వు మధ్యలో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతే నాకు ప్రాబ్లం కదా. సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్టిమైజ్డ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ టు బిల్డ్ ద రియల్ టైమ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఆఫ్టర్ బిల్డింగ్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్ we will release that application. ఆ బిల్డింగ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అని యాప్ అవుతుంది. యాప్. రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ శ్రీనివాస్.
సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ రివర్స్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఇవి చేస్తున్నాం కదా సార్, ప్రెసెంట్ నేర్చుకున్న ఆపరేషన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనము, ఐ మీన్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు ఒక బల్క్ టెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఐ మీన్ ఓటీపీ వస్తుంది, అందులోంచి ఓటీపీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి కూడా ఈ మెథడ్ యూజ్ అవుతుందా సార్?
నేను ఫర్దర్ గా స్ట్రింగ్ సెర్చ్ మెథడ్స్ చెప్తాను ఫర్దర్. దిస్ ఇస్ అ పార్ట్ 1 అని చెప్పాను మీకు. పార్ట్ 1. పార్ట్ 2 లో విచ్ ఎవర్ లెటర్ యూ వాంట్ ఐ కెన్ సెర్చ్ ఫర్ ఇట్.
అంటే ఓకే, అంటే మనం ఇనిషియల్ స్టేజ్ లో ఉన్నాం కాబట్టి మీరు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా సార్, లైక్
What?
ఒకే వర్డ్ లో ఉన్న స్ట్రింగ్స్ ని ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలి లేదా ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి అనేది చెప్తున్నారు. ఐ మీన్ కంటిన్యూషన్ లో మనకి ఒక ఎంటైర్ టెక్స్ట్ లో ఒక లెటర్ తీసుకోవాలన్నా లేదా ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఏరియాలో ఉన్న డిజిట్స్ తీసుకోవాలనే కాన్సెప్ట్ మనకు ఉందా?
That is very simple. That is easy. In a
Okay.
PDF file, in a bigger 1,000 pages document is there. In that, whatever the letters you want, whatever the word you want, I will bring it.
ఓ ఓకే సార్. సో
Okay.
దానికి ఏమైనా స్పెసిఫిక్ మాడ్యూల్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా సార్?
చెప్తాను నేను క్లాస్ లో, అన్ని చెప్తాను నేను క్లాస్ లో, మొత్తం చెప్పేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్,
రైట్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ కైఫ్ ఎండి కైఫ్.
Hello, sir.
యా, టెల్ మీ కైఫ్.
The first thing is your explanation is very clear, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్.
And I'm currently working in non-IT, like working in US healthcare.
వెరీ గుడ్.
So currently looking for to switch in IT. So I've taken Python and SQL Server. Is it enough, or should I need to register something else?
No more SQL Server. Is it needed? Is it required in your domain?
Not in my domain, sir. The Naresh IT counseling people suggested me that Python plus SQL Server.
I don't know who suggested you, but learn full stack Python, ma.
Full stack Python. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. Next, Sudha.
Hello,
Sudha,
sir.
tell me, ma.
Sir, I have a doubt. Yes, S of 0:6:-1. Could you please explain that?
S of 0,
6:-1.
First you need to check. First
Yes,
you
sir.
need to check the condition. What is the step? -1. That
minus
means
step.
backward direction. What is the condition? I said begin must be greater than ending. What is the begin value? I mentioned 0.
0.
Greater than ending, I mentioned 6,
6.
which is a false.
False
Output is
condition.
space.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Condition is
Space.
not. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Right. Right, students. Thank you. And time is 8:00, 3 minutes. Please practice it, and tomorrow don't miss it. Very, very important session tomorrow. Thank you, students. Good night.